Alright guys, this is day number 9 of the 24-day Advent Calendar fishing challenge, and we're at San Antonio River once again. So let's go ahead and open the calendar, see what we got today. See, oh, okay, we got another frog just like day 1. Same thing, but this time it's green. So let me go ahead and show y'all. Alright guys, little green frog has this little weedless thing right here. Let me go ahead, get it tied on, and let's get to fishing. Alright guys, I got the frog tied on, so now let's go ahead, try it out. Oh, let's go ahead, let it sink, see what happens. Whoa. That was a huge turtle. Alright guys, we made it to the next spot. Let's go ahead and try it out, see if we have better luck here. Alright guys, we're at spot number 3. Let's try our luck here. Oh, uh-oh. Got it. Water's cold. Alright guys, so we're at the last spot for today, and we're gonna go ahead and test our luck here, and hopefully we get a last minute bite. Alright guys, so it's been a tough day of fishing, and I'm not seeing no movement in the water or anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and try one more spot, and then it's been a tough day of fishing. I've been fishing for about 2 to 3 hours and no luck, sadly, but that's all the time I have today guys, and thank you for watching. And don't forget, I'm giving away a advent calendar to someone watching this video, so like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, hopefully when you are the lucky winner to get the advent calendar. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.